Okay, here at the field, f16 version 2, full flying horizontal stabilizers. We're just going to throw it up, that's all we can do. A little more wind here than I thought there was going to be. Canopy is just going to have to do with a rubber band for now. It might fly off, but we'll see. Okay, I'm going to start with some Expo on one. I don't know if this is a good idea. It's got so much throw. Whatever. You just got to do it, right? CG is right here. It's right before the blue lines. Okay. All that's left to do is throw it. Oh, hold on. I need my lanyard. Because I'm gonna really throw this thing. I don't want to drop the transmitter if I get a good flight. All right, I'm gonna go out away from people. This thing needs to go down. There we go. It needs to go down. I don't know why that thing won't go down. Alright. I don't know if I should have brought a garbage bag. Let's do a thrust test. Got lots of thrust. Alright, let's just do it. It's flying really good. Wow. Wow. Wow, almost no trim. A little bit of up trim. It's a 1500 milliamp. Wow, flies good. Oh, a little bit wonky. Oh, it's wind. I'm used to flying with gyros. Wow, it got windy. I'm gonna take the banks really smooth because it's got so much authority. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Really windy. Really windy, holy. What is that? Is that just wind? Needs a little up trim. Oh, okay. Something. I think the horizontal stabilizer may have popped off on the landing. Obviously, because I'm a moron and I'm holding full up elevator. Yeah, I think the horizontal fell off. Very successful flight though. Plenty of power. Yep. Horizontal stab. Okay. Alright, not a big deal. I should have brought hot glue or CA glue. Wow. Cool. Flew awesome. Really nice. Alright. You cannot land with the stabs in full elevator. Wow, plenty of power. And it has great characteristics. Really good. Really happy with this. Even with the canopy not even on. Wow, very impressed. Everything's sturdy. Oh man, I wish I could fly it again.